What's the difference between walk and work? Keep watching to find out. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Work is a very common word, but I often hear it mispronounced. Specifically, some students have a habit of producing the or sound instead of the sound. So sometimes the word work sounds more like walk, and obviously this can be confusing. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the difference between the or and sounds and how to pronounce the words walk and work correctly. The or sound is produced with the back of the tongue raised slightly and the lips rounded. Or, walk. Other examples include short, floor, court, board, abroad, thought. In contrast, the sound is produced with the tongue in the center of the mouth and the lips relaxed. Common examples of words that contain this sound include shirt, burn, verb, journey, search. Some common words that contain the sound are spelt with the letter O, and some students see this and think it must produce a rounded vowel sound like or, but actually this is misleading and it just produces the sound in words such as word, work, worst, and world. If you find it difficult to produce the sound, don't worry, because there are several tricks that we can do to find the correct sound. The sound is also known as the long schwa because it's produced in exactly the same way as the schwa sound, but it's long and stressed. So you can find the sound by producing the schwa sound first. If you find it difficult to produce the schwa sound as well, just hold your nose so that you have to breathe through your mouth. Then produce a sound. Both the short and long schwa sounds are produced with the mouth open but relaxed, and we naturally adopt this position when we breathe through our mouth. So you can find the correct position by holding your nose and producing a sound. Another way to find the correct position is to use your tongue to feel. When we produce the sound, the tongue is sitting in the middle of the mouth, so you should be able to feel your bottom teeth with the tip of your tongue when you produce this sound. In contrast, when we produce the or sound, the tip of the tongue is pulled back, so you shouldn't be able to feel your bottom teeth with the tip of your tongue. If you're rounding your lips when you shouldn't be, make sure you look in a mirror when you pronounce the sound to check that your lips are relaxed. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. I walk to work. This shirt is too short. I'm bored of bird watching. I'm going to form a firm. Stir this while I go to the store. Several English accents produce the sound higher and further forward in the mouth, and they may have slightly rounded lips, so it sounds like air. This is especially common in Liverpool, Birmingham, Australia and New Zealand. In contrast, very few accents produce the sound with the tongue back and the lips rounded, so it's better to keep the tongue forward if possible. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but what words do you find difficult to pronounce? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.